We are at the node in the energy together format where the transportation of the primary energies occur. These are the primary energies such as coal, crude oil, semi-finished products, waste which are not biodegradable, uranium and biofuels. But also when talking about transportation, there occurs losses during this transportation process, which is shown by this arrow pointing downwards. When looking at the transportation of fuels, we can see that there occurs losses. Let's for instance say we use electricity in transport of fuels. We can see electricity going into the transportation of fuels, and then it comes out as losses. I would now like to go over the different forms of transportation. Firstly, we have coal, which can be transported in coal vessels from where they have been extradited. Then there's also crude oil, which is typically transported in big oil tank vessels from where it's been extradited to where it can be converted into oil products. This transportation of crude oil can also happen through oil pipelines. I would now like to explain the transportation of semi-manufactured products. But firstly, I would like to explain what it actually is. According to the Danish Energy Agency, semi-manufactured products is defined as oil products which are in a state between crude oil and finished oil products. These can be transported in lorries, which is shown in the picture. Next up is natural gas. Natural gas is transported through our natural gas pipeline infrastructure. Waste can be transported in lorries, as shown in this picture, where it is transported to different plants where it can get converted into secondary energy. Uranium is also often transported in big lorries. And then there's biofuels, which is also often transported in lorries. In this picture we can for instance see straw, which is a part of the transportation process. But for instance, wood pellets can also be transported in ships and in trains. These are the different methods of transporting the fuels.